like looking up at him like I'm a kid. Just so you know. Like, how are you doing up there? What's the weather like? Oh my goodness. My hands are kind of cold. Okay, my hands are cold. So what are the landmarks? Do you remember for flexion, extension, and lateral flexion? You can find PSI. Why am I finding PSIS? To find S2, absolutely. So find PSIS. Look, iliac crests are pretty high up. I am posterior, and I'm going down. I should be inferior to the iliac crests, to the PSIS. You'll feel some bony landmarks. Some people's may be very prominent. Some people's may not be prominent at all. And that's okay. You'll still have to find them. Sorry. All right, come over and you'll find S2. I'm going to mark it. I did ask you before you came over. Yes. Yes.
Wait.
Okay. You said yes. All right. And then you're going to find T12. So how do I find T12? 12. Do you remember? Find rib, bottom rib. Come up though, right? Because it's not straight across. You're going to end up in lumbar spine. So find T12, spinous process. And you mark it. Now I don't have to worry about losing those marks, do I? And then if I'm going to look at lumbar spine flexion and extension, where do I want to stand? On the side of him. And I'm going to put 1, so the dome of it is going to be over the first little mark, and S2. I'm going to zero it out. And the other one is going to be at the other mark that I made. That was really good wording right there. All right, I'm going to have you bend forward like you're going to touch your toes. And guess what? You get to do math again. Nice job. Look, he did touch the ground. So he has 70, don't move, 74. Ooh, but he also moved here and he has 54. What did I say? 70, 74 and 54. So he has how much? 20 degrees of lumbar spine flexion. Come back up. Ooh, he's grunting even. He did not like that.
He was there for 5 minutes.
Sorry. We need to learn about that. Why are you grunting? Is that normal? Oh, you just do like this. All right, so here's the other problem. What happens if, go ahead and put your hands on your hips for me. I'm going to zero now.
Power pose.
And then I'm going to have you bend backwards. Oh, look, my inclinometers hit each other. So what do I do if that happens? I'm just going to move it over a little bit. Just make sure you're in line. Okay, go ahead and stay where you are. I got to zero it out again because it may change a little bit. All right, go ahead and bend backwards. Oof. Oh my goodness. I don't have that much lateral flexion. 10 degrees. And come back up, I'm cramping. And 40 degrees. We have 30 degrees of extension. Yes, you're cramped too. It's like contagious.
It's
30 degrees of extension. So you gotta do this quick. That's the hardest part, right? Just trying to get all these measures quickly. And size of people is gonna make a big difference for you, but you still have to work with that.